Hello everyone, this is Chris. Today we will look at the linear regression in R. Okay, the linear regression describes the linear relationship between variables, and the main command for linear regression in R is LM. LM stands for linear model. And then first we read the two data of axon and SPY, and we can see it here. The SPY, what we need is the return. So then axon, we need the return here. And to do a regression, first you have to assign the result of a regression to someone. So I call it fit. So then fit, then use the command LM. Then before the tilde is the dependent variables. So let's see axon equals alpha plus beta times SPY. Okay, so this axon here is the y equals x blah blah blah. Then the axon here is dependent variables, and SPY is independent variables. So if we can get beta here, then we can know if we increase 1% of SPY, what gonna be the increase or the decrease in axon stock return. So here before the tilde it is the dependent variables, and after the tilde it is independent variables. Okay, if you run this and then you use a summary. Summary is a command to summarize the regression results. So if you summary, you're gonna have this. So first he will tell you the formula here, and it's the residuals. It's a description of the residual characteristics. The most important is coefficients. Coefficient first is the estimated coefficients of the intercept and the betas, and all this t-value, p-value, then this r-square here, then f statistics, p-value. You will learn this later on, but this is how you get the result of regression. And then if you want to look at the residues of this regression, you use the command resid, R-E-S-I-D. Then I assign to the residue, and if you run it, okay, let's say residual. Okay, then we run it. So this is R will give you a list of residues here. And for the another interesting thing is if you try to plot the fit, he will give you some plots here. Look, hit return to select plot. He return here the first plot, second plot, third plot, and fourth plot. There are 4 plots here, just for fun. And after the single linear regression, we can also have a multiple linear regression. This means rather than only one independent variables in the formula, we can have multiple independent variables. So actually it's the same. Here I add the Apple stock return as the input, and then it's the same. So LM, then before the tilde it's the dependent variables, it's SPY, and after the tilde is 2 independent variables, it's ExxonMobil and Apple. And then if you run this, and you can see the summary here. So you click here, it tells you the summary, but here you have two independent variables. You have 2 betas here, and you can also look at the significance levels and the p-value and r-square. That's all you have. All you have is in the summary. And also if here you use the residue, if you do this, he will also tell you the residues of these regressions. Okay, this is today's video. Hope you like it. Bye.